The MST-028 is a unique Russian invention designed to tackle extreme winter conditions by transforming snow into durable road surfaces. First developed in the 1970s, this machine has been thoroughly modernized to meet today's demands. Its primary function is to melt and compress snow into the ground, turning loose, fluffy snow into a smooth and reliable white roadway. Drivers who operate the latest MST-028 report a dramatic improvement in winter road quality. The updated model offers a higher payload capacity and enhanced off-road performance, making it far more effective than many of its wheeled counterparts. Beyond road preparation, the MST-028 also doubles as a versatile transport platform, capable of carrying drilling rigs, cranes, or accommodation modules across icy terrains. This adaptability makes it indispensable in remote and frigid regions where rough terrain is the norm. With its powerful design and modern upgrades, the MST-028 continues to prove itself as an essential machine for building and maintaining reliable ice roads. The Elphinstone WR810 is a specialized machine engineered for underground operations, designed to efficiently clear debris and suppress dust in hard-to-reach areas. At the heart of this powerhouse is a massive 8,000-liter onboard water tank, capable of delivering pressure levels up to 10.5 bars, ensuring effective dust and rubble control. Its standout feature is the 8-meter telescopic boom, fitted with heavy-duty hoses that extend reach and performance. For enhanced operator safety, the boom and cannon are controlled remotely, keeping workers out of hazardous zones. Additional dust suppression valves are mounted at the rear and sides, further improving visibility and air quality in underground environments. Inside, the cab offers seating for 3 people and comes equipped with climate control, creating a safe and comfortable workspace. Powering the WR810 is a robust Cat C 7.1 engine, delivering 225 horsepower combined with all-wheel drive for maximum mobility and strength. With these features, the WR810 excels at tackling rubble, dust, and demanding underground conditions. The MTT Eurolift side loader recovery truck is a highly advanced vehicle designed to make roadside recovery faster, safer, and more efficient. Its standout feature is the ability to load a vehicle onto its platform in just 60 seconds, significantly reducing the time required to clear blocked lanes. This speed is especially valuable in crowded city environments, where even minor delays can quickly escalate into long traffic jams. Equipped with a sophisticated combination of mechanical, hydraulic, and electronic systems, the Eurolift ensures smooth and precise operation. The driver can manage the entire process without ever leaving the cab, thanks to an integrated joystick control and camera system. This not only improves operator safety but also allows vehicles to be removed quickly, even under difficult traffic conditions. For law enforcement agencies, municipal services, and emergency responders, the Eurolift is a top-tier tool that enhances urban traffic management. It enables authorities to rapidly clear illegally parked cars, accident vehicles, or breakdowns, keeping roads open and traffic flowing. Commuters and drivers benefit as well, since violators and stalled cars are swiftly removed, reducing frustration and restoring order. The Hosel RSP is a highly specialized machine designed for situations where traditional equipment might risk damaging infrastructure. Unlike conventional tools, it relies on powerful suction to handle demanding tasks, making it both effective and precise. Capable of removing particles up to 25 centimeters in size, the RSP can extend its reach to an impressive 50 meters horizontally and 30 meters vertically, ensuring access to areas that are otherwise difficult to reach. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool across multiple industries. In construction and pipe repair, it clears debris without damaging surrounding structures. In tunnel work, it efficiently removes loose material, while in emergency response operations, it helps teams quickly restore safety by clearing rubble or tree roots. While it functions much like a giant vacuum cleaner, the RSP's impact is far greater. Just as household vacuums have proven their usefulness for decades, this industrial version demonstrates how the same principle can revolutionize large-scale projects. The Lissibbach SF-132 is the latest evolution of Lissibbach Maschinenbau's self-propelled bale press, built for efficiency and reliability in demanding environments. The model name highlights its robust 132 horsepower engine, which powers this versatile agricultural machine. Equipped with permanent hydrostatic four-wheel drive and a lightweight construction, the SF-132 is perfectly suited for working on steep and uneven slopes. Field test footage clearly shows the machine maintaining excellent stability, even when operating at challenging angles, while continuing to perform its tasks with precision. Behind the operator's cab, the machine houses specialized units for wrapping and netting hay, streamlining the baling process into one seamless operation. Farmers can expect a clean, uniform result with every pass. Covering about 1 kilometer forward and another back, the SF-132 efficiently clears large areas, leaving the field neat, organized, and prepared for the next stage, whether that's winter storage or facing the snowy alpine conditions common to its working environment. The Heli Shuttle is a groundbreaking transport solution created to move helicopters safely and efficiently along public roads. At the heart of its design is a special low-frame trailer that can extend up to 14 meters in length, allowing helicopters of various sizes to roll on and off with ease. This adaptability means it can handle everything from small aircraft to larger models without modification. One of its most innovative features is the unique self-unloading system, which eliminates the need for expensive cranes or lifting equipment. By streamlining loading and unloading, the Heli Shuttle reduces both costs and setup time, making helicopter logistics far more practical. The trailer's secure fastening system is designed to accommodate both ski-based and wheel-based landing gear, ensuring helicopters remain stable throughout transport. Unlike traditional methods, there is no need to dismantle aircraft into parts, which typically requires hours of labor and specialized packing. By removing these barriers, the Heli Shuttle not only saves time and resources but also transforms the way helicopters are relocated, offering a faster, safer, and smarter approach to aviation transport. The Bron 585 drainage plow is a heavy-duty machine trusted by construction and land management professionals for its reliability and performance. Weighing between 39 and 42 tons, this powerhouse can plow to a maximum depth of 2.2 meters, making it ideal for large-scale drainage projects. Buyers can choose between two powerful engine options, a 550 horsepower Cummins or a 536 horsepower Cat, both paired with an 814-liter fuel tank that supports long working hours in tough conditions. Despite its massive size, the Bron 585 reaches a top speed of 6.9 km per hour, allowing efficient operation across work sites. The operator's cab is equipped with ROPS and FOPS systems, offering maximum protection against rollovers and falling objects. Comfort and stability are further enhanced by the machine's self-leveling track system, which ensures secure traction on uneven ground. While it may not feel like a living room, the cab provides a safe, functional, and well-protected environment, exactly what's needed to operate one of the most powerful drainage plows in the industry. The Plant Max X2 is a cutting-edge planting machine developed by the Swedish company Plantar Forestry, and it has already proven its value in Brazil and across South America. Mounted on a robust 8x8 Buffalo King forwarder platform, this advanced system can carry up to 30,000 seedlings at once, keeping them in a controlled microclimate with optimal humidity until they are ready for planting. What sets the Plant Max X2 apart is its intelligent automation. The machine is equipped with two autonomous robotic arms that probe the soil and transmit data to an onboard computer, which then determines the best planting spots. This ensures efficient use of resources and healthier growth conditions for the seedlings. In field tests, the Plant Max X2 demonstrated remarkable performance, planting 2,300 to 2,500 seedlings per hour while maintaining impressive accuracy. Operating at a steady pace, it mimics the precision of an experienced gardener, but on a massive industrial scale, making reforestation faster, smarter, and more sustainable. Easy Moves has been a leader in transporting pre-assembled homes for many years, helping families relocate their houses with efficiency and care. Operating a fleet of powerful semi-trailers, the company travels across New Zealand's roads, moving homes to their new destinations. For many homeowners, this service offers a cost-effective alternative to building from scratch, saving both time and money. The system is designed to handle impressive dimensions, with a maximum transport width of 10 meters and a maximum length of 22 meters. When homes exceed these limits, they are carefully divided into sections, sometimes 3, and in the case of very large buildings, even 6 pieces, to ensure safe transport within road regulations. For taller structures, cranes are used alongside the semi-trailers, allowing homes to be lifted and maneuvered with precision. Thanks to the expertise of the Easy Moves team, each new site is transformed into a welcoming space, giving homeowners the feeling that their relocated house has always belonged there. The Menzi Muck M5X series is engineered to thrive where ordinary machines struggle, on steep, uneven terrain. These innovative tractors are equipped with movable sliding axles and additional hydraulic stops, giving them unmatched adaptability and stability on challenging ground. With the ability to handle inclines up to 45 degrees, they are perfectly suited for forestry, construction, and agricultural tasks in rugged environments. The lineup includes 3 models. The M525X, a budget-friendly option ideal for simpler applications, the M535X, a mid-range version offering enhanced performance, and the M545X, the most powerful in the series, designed for demanding professional use. While structurally similar, each variant offers performance tailored to different needs and budgets. For stability, the M5X's base can extend up to 6 meters, creating a secure platform even on steep slopes. Operating at a steady 15 kilometers per hour, these tractors combine mobility with strength. Built for extreme conditions, the Menzi Muck M5X family is ready to work in places where other machines cannot. The Normet UDMC XL100 agitator ED is a state-of-the-art concrete mixer specifically designed for use in underground mines and tunnels. With a capacity of up to 10 cubic meters, it ensures a steady supply of mortar in demanding environments where precision and safety are critical. Built on the advanced Normet electrodynamic platform, it delivers reliable performance with low carbon monoxide and gas emissions, making it both environmentally friendly and safe for confined spaces. The concrete drum is remotely controlled, while the hydraulically operated discharge chute allows for accurate pouring exactly where it's needed. To improve stability during operation, the vehicle is equipped with front and rear support legs, ensuring safe and steady placement. Operator comfort and safety are also considered, with a large front window and heated mirrors providing excellent visibility in challenging underground conditions. With its combination of safety, efficiency, and eco-friendly design, the UDMC XL100 agitator ED is a valuable asset for modern construction and mining projects. The Sandvik DL422E is an advanced automated drilling rig built to take on some of the toughest mining challenges. Designed for use in tunnels as small as 4 meters high and 3.5 meters wide, it combines compact dimensions with impressive drilling power. Its robust drill string is capable of boring holes up to 54 meters long, making it highly effective in deep and precise underground operations. Powered by a battery electric drive system, the DL422E offers a range of 4.4 kilometers, enabling it to move efficiently through difficult underground routes without producing harmful emissions. This not only makes it environmentally friendly but also safer for crews working in confined spaces. Weighing 33 tons, the rig is a true underground heavyweight. Despite its size, it operates automatically, with the operator simply monitoring progress via a screen. For added flexibility and safety, the DL422E can also be controlled remotely, proving itself as both a powerful and intelligent solution for modern mining. The KIH Quadrra 715 is a true giant of modern agriculture, built to handle the toughest tasks with ease. Delivering an impressive 778 horsepower, it's equipped with 4 independent tracks that provide superior off-road capability and stability. Spanning 6 meters in width, these tracks help minimize ground pressure, protecting soil while maximizing traction. At its core is the FPT cursor engine, producing a peak torque of 3,255 Nm at 1,400 RPM. Paired with a massive 1,968-liter fuel tank, the Quadrra SF-132 is designed for long hours in the field without interruption. Operator comfort is ensured with a 4-point suspension cab, reducing vibrations and fatigue during extended work sessions. Visibility is another strong point, thanks to LED headlights producing 2,420 lumens, which light up the path far ahead even in the darkest conditions. Combining raw power, advanced engineering, and operator comfort, the Quadrra SF-132 has rightly earned its reputation as the Cadillac Escalade of farm equipment. The Bullmore EQ20 is a powerhouse in the world of industrial and warehouse machinery. Built to manage extreme workloads, this electric forklift can lift an impressive 25 tons, making it one of the strongest machines in its class. Despite its size, it accelerates quickly, reaching 20 km per hour in just 5 seconds. At its core is a 9 kW asynchronous electric motor, designed to deliver both reliability and efficiency. Operator comfort is a top priority. The cab is equipped with an anti-vibration system, full climate control, and a comfortable seat with a seatbelt, ensuring long shifts are manageable and safe. Drivers can also select from 3 distinct modes, Eco, Power, and Boost, to optimize performance depending on the task, balancing efficiency with strength. Adding to its innovation, the Bullmore diagnostic system provides real-time monitoring through GPS, shock sensors, and error detection. This ensures maximum uptime, faster troubleshooting, and smarter fleet management, making the EQ120 a true game-changer. The 5700D curb and gutter machine is widely regarded as one of the pioneers of modern road infrastructure technology. Built for speed, accuracy, and efficiency, this machine installs curbs and gutters with unmatched precision, streamlining projects that would otherwise take far longer with traditional methods. Thanks to its compact size, it can maneuver in tight spaces with ease, making it a perfect fit for traffic islands, parking lots, and narrow roads where larger equipment cannot operate effectively. Under the hood, the 5700D is powered by a 190 horsepower engine that allows it to reach speeds of up to 15 km per hour, significantly boosting productivity. Its advanced Slip Smart control system ensures precise handling, enabling a skilled operator to manage the machine with just one hand while maintaining high-quality output. The integrated conveyor belt feed system smoothly delivers concrete to the mold, guaranteeing consistent results even on sloped or uneven surfaces. Durable, versatile, and highly efficient, the 5700D continues to be the gold standard for curb and gutter work, delivering professional results on road construction projects worldwide. The Gantry ROG500 represents one of the most advanced agricultural technologies available today, delivering power, efficiency, and precision to large-scale farming. With a working width of up to 36 meters, this massive machine covers fields quickly while minimizing passes. Its 4-wheel hydrostatic drive allows smooth movement with reduced soil compaction, while the height-adjustable frame adapts easily to uneven terrain to ensure proper seed placement. At the core of its efficiency are 12,000-liter central seed tanks, which significantly reduce downtime caused by frequent refilling. The machine is equipped with Maestro outfeed elements, guaranteeing accurate seed drop and consistent seeding depth, producing evenly spaced rows that look as if they were perfectly measured. Guided by an advanced GPS and task planning system, the Gantry ROG500 can navigate fields autonomously, optimizing routes for maximum productivity. Meanwhile, the operator enjoys reduced workload, free to focus on strategic decisions, or even reflect on the role of artificial intelligence, from the comfort of the cab.